ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, sorry, deal. What can you do? This train is gone. Yeah. Plug. Break. Yeah. Yeah. Now we can't really play this one that high. Ooh. Yeah, and we finished with Abgo. We left here. Oops. This is good. This is not. This is good. Let's see the rest for watch list. Revision. Yeah. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. There's a good chance to pick it from the bottom. It's kind of like, it's not within our rules even to play it this way. It's counter trend, so you can only go up to the... No, I think we'll have to let it go. Yeah. Oh, by the way. Oh. Yeah. Alright. That's actually all I wanted to show you to check. Start connection. Yeah. You see that what happened to the market. To the market. Let's go a little bit lower. GPM. Goes up. Yeah. Can be an exhaustion where you see like spread smaller. Volume bigger. Selling tail bigger. Biggest volume. Good sign of reversal stop. You see. Yeah, we can watch daily, but ay ay ay. You can watch daily. What happened here? Breakdown. It's kind of breakthrough. So here he had this balance. Yeah. Oh, yeah, oh. No, I haven't. It's kind of like all over the place here. It's sensing like this, like this. Yeah, it's like doesn't make no sense at this point. What happened here? What happened here is something like this. It's really hard to call it a balance, but whatever it is, if it comes here, this is probably the exhaustion volume. Oh, look at this, guys. Yeah, look, so this is our exhaustion volume. Ta-da! We have like one here, but it's already been tested. See this volume? It's already been tested by this guy. And then up thrust with the biggest volume. Yeah, this is, guys, is a reversal. Technically, I mean, that's what doesn't matter because we're not going to trade up here. This is a good sign of reversal. Yeah, yeah, that's our JP Morgan. We need a reaction bar. Dun, 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 dun. Our MasterCard. This looks better. See bigger spread. There is some tail, but not so big. This looks better. Technically, could play from this. Keep an eye. Well, technically, you can watch for continuation of the trend. However, so what happened here is 10, 10. Let's see the picture. Yeah, there's some balance. Not exactly the balance, like, yeah, from here, here, here. So yeah, just like this. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, you see we need to go a little back to have a better view. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, so that's balance, and that's balance, and that's where it broke finally. And then it went higher. There's this. Yeah, this is how it looks. So we take it from here, and yeah. Yeah, you can be kind of nuts to pick it up from here as a continuation of a trend. You know what I mean? Ta-da! This is an exhaustion volume. Exhaustion volume. For the entire downward trend, upward trend, I'm sorry. You see this guy? Yeah, here you go. Huh. Here you go. This is, guys, is most likely a, yeah, so it will like test up thrust and it will go down. And now I need to see exchange. Yeah, a clear sign of, we'll keep an eye, but clear sign of correction or reversal. Okay. Oh, this looks good. Biggest volume is on jump over creek bar, and then continuation of the trend. And that's where our fib goes. Yeah, so, whoa, old times. I used to draw them so thick when I was young and reckless. I gotta be like kind of quiet, guys, because of the housemates. But I hope you can hear me regardless. Oh, wait. And I had my chat window. Just in case you have any questions. Yeah, this is wild. This is wild. We can technically keep on watching for patterns. This is how it happened here. What is this SIG volume? Like, stocks are so weird. That's almost like an exhaustion volume. Look at this guy. Yeah, it did look like an exhaustion volume. It did look like a lot like exhaustion volume of this trend, almost like an impulse. You see, like in one single movement. However, it was broken as of now. Yeah, see this upthrust, and there was some like weird volume here, but that happens to stocks a lot, I notice. Don't know exactly why yet, but so technically it broke down, but yeah. So I think it will like thrust again and just go down. We'll keep an eye, but I think this guy technically is still an upward trend in a balance, which expanded, so like an almost here, but we'll keep an eye. But yeah, this doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. This balance continues here, expanding its creek level. Nothing for us. Yeah, this is continuation of the upward trend. Volume is good. Volume, biggest volume on the jump over creek or jog, it's also called. Yeah, right here, right? Yeah, so technically the volume is good. And you can keep on looking for the entry points on inferior time frame. That's where it broke. Oh, interesting. Look how levels work if you're careful. So yeah, that was like this. So that was the new level. That's how it played out. Boom, and it held. Oh, look at this. Well, but that was like wait, but it balanced, not a balance yet. Now it's a balance. So technically, yeah, technically you can pick it up from here. If it goes to this day level, can we go? And the volume is here. You see how it tested this volume? Boom, and went higher. It's not bad. Let's keep an eye on it. Mm-hmm. Mm. If you guys know any good stocks, let me know, and I'll take a look at them. A reversal of the trend. Two. Yeah, this volume is jerky. This volume is jerky, guys. You see, there was some struggle here. So yeah, I wouldn't be so sure about this guy. However, technically it's a continuation with the trend of the trend. So there's nothing that prevents us from keeping an eye on it on a daily and seeing what can we get out of it. See this volume? So yeah, you can't quite call it a balance just because of how it is. But yeah, if it comes back to the monthly level, there could be a place to pick it up for a short trade. Nothing long. I mean, long trade, but a quick one, if you know what I mean. It's an upthrust. Ooh, what is this? What is this? How did we get it even? Oh, it plays dividends. Okay, let's see how jerky it is. Yeah, that's an upthrust. So now, like, we can expect it to go to 0.5 and go farther. I don't know what these stocks are and how did I get them? What is it even? Some holding? Pharmaceuticals. Okay. You guys are jerky on the chart. You know that. Woo! Continuation of the trend. my friend. Trend is your friend. And biggest volume here on this trend. So, which is a good sign. If I ever see this, this is not a good sign. Dunk, dunk, well, technically we should see it as a one wave, so, and that's the biggest volume. And now this is tested, yeah. There will be another level to watch. And technically it's like this. Yeah. Let's see. Technically we can. Ooh. See this guy? This guy. I don't know, I guess I just don't like this, like, at all. I'm gonna pass. Sorry, NVS, wherever you are. Not my... Oops. This is nasty. Nasty, not like Russian name Nasty, but nasty. You know what I mean? What's going on here? So that was what's going on here. Well, technically, it's like multiple bar manipulation, practically. I don't know. What do you guys think about stock like this? Ooh. Oh, this is going down. All right. All right. This is a reversal of the trend. This is the biggest volume here. Pretty low. So we'll be watching a test level of the sign of strength bar and 0.5. That would be nice for retracement. Technically, we can continue for now watching the continuation patterns. However, you see the splash of volume, smaller spread, big selling tail, and boom, correction. And the way it played out was like this kind of wild thing. From somewhere over here, it broke T2 level just to go and retrieve immediately back and break T1. Yeah, so it's like something like this, really. This is nasty. You see this range? It's not workable. They dropped. And in order to see, we really need to see the previous T2. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. Yeah, so technically this one has to be like very technical. It doesn't matter. It's just it's gonna change just some points in between this and this. But yeah, technically that's where we take our but yeah, the jump over creeks level is broken. went on. I think it will bounce up, but there's no trading signal for us. So, and it broke. It's below the jump over creek volume, and the correction volume exceeds the jump over creek volume. So yeah, this is not healthy. This is not sexy. Yeah, yeah, interesting. We can continue watching, but nothing yet. Nothing yet. Oh la la, look at this guy. Look at this guy. This is, guys, is sexy. And we can continue watching for entry points on inferior time frame, which is this. Look at this volume. Does it tell you anything? Does it tell you anything? Because to me, it looks like exhaustion volume, like a big, good old exhaustion volume, you see? And what are the bigger volumes? This is all tested. Uh-oh. This is all tested. Yeah. It's the biggest untested volume. And that's, my friend, is how correction or reversal of the trend begins. The previous level was like this. It was a balance, really. Yeah. We don't play short stocks yet. I only play short crypto because that's where I've learned to trade on. However, this is like a beautiful reversal pattern on day. Yeah. Well, technically, see, it tries to hold, but it will just break down. It will just break. Pretty positive about it. And the previous level is here. So our 0.5, oops, what's going on? Our 0.5 retracement, yes. Yeah, so we'll be waiting at least to go here. But after it breaks down below this, it will just go bananas. Yeah, and you see here, well, technically, it's kind of, no, it didn't fall. Like, it will break, guys. It will break. We'll watch it on, and that's an IBM. IBM, guys, goes down, at least for some correction. We don't know how much and how low, but oops. Wow, yeah, technically it's still a downward trend, but also 0.5. La la la. Yeah, you see exactly the same again. Exhaustion. That's change of the initiative. Switch of the initiative from buyer to seller. You see this volume, boom, this bigger volume, and now it goes down. It goes down, didn't hold this level. There is like a 0.5 though. Was it the biggest volume of the trend? It wasn't, but yeah. Okay. You see, dun, 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 dun. Boom. And this is already broken. It's below. Yeah, so this guy is going down for now, for some correction. We'll see. Mm. Mm. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. This is might be something like that, but nothing for us. Who neglected all these trend directions? What guy did that? Well, technically, it's broke it here. Oh, but then went all the way back. So yeah, no, technically it's lost, but incoming trend is short, then it broke, but went all the way back. So it's like just bouncing back and forth. Interesting. You see? Upthrust, 2-bar upthrust, test. Can go lower. La, 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 la. La, la, la. This is broke. Technically, it's reversal, first sign of reversal of the trend, like this. But see this volume? This is no bueno. And I'm not gonna like look at, oh, it's CVS. Let's take a look. Yeah, a lot of volume here. Down, up thrust. Not even a test. Yeah. Not even a test. There is some volume here though. Bigger volume. What are you trying to say, CVS? You wanna try to say like this? Not an hours. Is what you're trying to say? CVS, tell me. Tell me what you're showing me. Because I want to know. And it goes down. That's it goes down. Yeah. It looks like this. Yeah, CVS. No, I wouldn't trust it. Well, if it comes here, but see how like much lower it is than 0.5 correction of this trend, and the correction volume far exceeds the jump or creep volume. Most probably. You know what I think? Yeah, you see how low, 64, 62, 64. Like, it really should be read like this. I think that's what's going on here, really. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I think this is more believable. It's just like, how many points? Like 20 points. It's just nothing. It's just nothing. It's like one bar reversal. No volume. Yeah, I think we're more talking about this situation here. This is how it looks. Because on daily, let's see what happened here. Yeah, you see on daily, technically, it touched with the volume, but it doesn't make no sense. So it's more like of a balance now. Yeah, I think this is more. Let's stay on this right now, but I think really it's a balance. And this range is too wide. So what we'll start doing, we'll start drawing so-called thin trend lines, like this, to help us kind of navigate through this wave farther. Technically, it's a breakthrough. Biggest volume. Ooh. Well, biggest volume is here. So this is sign of strength bar or long day candle, but also you see this guy? This guy also like has 2 bars before it, bigger volume. And with this, you see how spread is small? So it's also a sign of stopping of the trend, either a correction or reversal. This volume though, of course, looks sexy, and there is no volume here whatsoever, but there is volume here. This is a weird situation, you guys, because there is no volume on T1, but there is volume on the upthrust and the huge volume here. So technically, if we are to play this bad boy from a previous level of it's something like that. Something like that. Even starting from here. Yeah. Even starting from here. That's how it went. And the upthrust and the anyhow, yeah, technically, so then it was like this. Doesn't change a thing for us. Then here, then here, and here. Yeah, that's how we ended where we are right now. So yeah, this is like super overextended, so you cannot play this. The test of this bar would be a good place to play, but it already formed. We'll keep an eye, but yeah, it's overextended and this stock just died. It's painful to watch. Borderline doesn't even important. What's the highest? 138.28. Close 100. So technically, yeah, it's close the buff. It's a breakthrough, but doesn't change a thing. Well, actually, it might be interesting for us if it comes back here. And but was there even volume? Yeah, we'll see. It's a target. FedEx, breakthrough. This is sexy. This looks good. And big spread, bigger volume. It still has this volume in the way, but it looks pretty good on the beginning of the upward trend. And also it bounced off the, well, like it was lower. Technically, it was in the zone. Yeah, you guys. If it comes here, yeah, it's workable. Ooh. Okay. Nothing. Still biggest volume. Yeah. Well, technically, you can watch for patterns here. What was happening here? And then this guy, for your entertainment, is oh, I see what you're saying. That's how it played out. Sorry, I'm not sorry. But I want to tell you guys that this volume, it's not the biggest volume of the trend. It's definitely one of the most significant volumes, but what happened? Oh, okay, did I do it? I think I removed it. Visibility. Yeah, I put it on the monthly chart. I'm known to mix up the chart. This is tested, this is untested, and this is untested. Well, no, this is tested. So pretty much the biggest volume untested, except from this guy is also tested. Yeah, a good sign of stopping of the trend. I don't even know where to put. Yeah, it has been down already. I don't think you should play it long here at all. Yeah, no. Oh la la. Ah, okay. We are back to point one. I was like, this is yum. Okay, you guys. So now we have our symbols to watch. And let's watch them tomorrow. And we don't need this. Let's also it's too much tabs open. We really need to keep an eye on essentials. Oh, I still feel sad. And this volume is not concerned no more because there is a bigger volume. Where did you get it? Yeah, you can remove this. It was such a good consolidation. Why didn't I read? The absence of volume is no problem because it's ice level of the upward moving trend. So either on daily with test or on hourly. Like that, like that, like that. Yeah, like boom. Even on hourly, it had a test, and here, ay, ay, ay. Yeah, we missed all the jam. You can close it for now because yeah, this is potentially interesting when it touches this level, manipulates this level. Yeah, and boom, can go higher. This is our trade we are in. We'll be watching closely because it broke close below this level, so we'll be waiting for take profit, either price to reach take profit, or if it touches our virtual mental stop loss, we'll put it to break even. Yeah, the future of this is unclear, and we don't need to micromanage that anyway, so we don't need this step. These guys, I don't know what to do with this, honestly. It has all signs of reversal. However, this bar should have not closed bearish, which together forms a breakthrough pattern, which indicates that the stock will go lower. However, on the hourly chart, on the daily chart, I'm sorry, it looks just perfect. It looks so good. The biggest volume of the trend goes here. Yeah, the problem is it's like low for, what is it? It's kind of low for retracement to deep. But I don't know. I have to let it go. But it's it anything is possible, but it should not go lower. It should not. I'll keep on looking at it for whatever reason. Same here. This is a beautiful entry point, biggest volume of the entire downward trend. 0.5 retracement. Oh wait. Did this level ever existed? Wait a minute. Plug. Protected. Go down, 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 down. Yeah, their last level was this. Huh. You see? That's why you need to see previous history. You guys, plug almost tricked me. You see? So that's the level right here. And then it goes down. You plug, you won't trick me. It goes down, 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 down. Goes here. And here. Huh. You see? You guys, this level never existed. Oh my gosh. That was a wishful thinking. Oh my gosh. It's still. So what we have to do here is considering how big the range is now. You see how big this range is now workable. Am I right? I am right. Yeah, what are you talking about? There was this level and this level didn't hold. So yeah, and it was all down. Whew. You see, guys? It's an upward trend. And the biggest volume was here. So, which was also a clear indication of trend stop. You see, it springed it, tried to hold, but so deep we probably needed a test, and it didn't hold on test. Yeah, guys, oh my gosh, you gotta be careful. Everyone wants to take our money on the market because we want to take theirs. But since this, uh-oh. So if we go with these thin levels, but then it's entirely different situation. Yeah. Huh. Double check tomorrow, but in this scenario, you might wanna dump plug. You see? Huh. Unbelievable. Oh, and that's technically, well, 399, close. Hold on. Close 450. Okay, I'll think about it tomorrow, but you might want to just close plug for whatever loss was there. And this guy was tested here, by the way. Alright, it's interesting. There was a test here, which actually technically still holds, but we can't play it from here because it's like too high above 0.5 retracement. But other than that, it's pretty sexy to keep an eye on it. Can be a little play. Yeah, that's what we've got for tomorrow. This guy, I have no idea what we're gonna do with, but not tomorrow for sure. Yeah, we don't have much for tomorrow, and this guy just have to go. We'll just sell it tomorrow. I'll keep it open because we'll just sell it tomorrow for market and remove it from our list because it doesn't pay dividends. Yeah, and this guy potentially is workable from here. Okay, guys, that's it for tonight. Oh, and I wanted to play a joke on this guy. Hi, James. Thank you. Thank you. Oh gosh, my English is failing me. Thank you for sweet reply. What's the best deal you can get me an upgrade to premium plan? Um, thank you. Thank you. So they say that my live streams can be saved forever if I upgrade to premium, which I don't want to do now yet until we get a decent audience and streams are usable while they are tradable. So we'll see. Not gonna upgrade by seeing what the best deal they can offer. Yeah, this is really doable. Like this guy, see this volume? Look like an exhaustion, but then boom, breakthrough. Yeah, this is playable, guys. Once it approaches here and touches the day level, we can go to the hourly and see what we can find on hourly. Only a short play because, it's extended. So like 1 to 2 risk to reward on hourly. Okay, wait, why do I? Yeah, it technically still holds. Just like too high. Yeah, that was the game, no? Boom, boom, boom. I didn't touch. There is no low 74.41, low 74. Yeah, didn't touch. Yeah, that's weird. Well, technically, even from here, if you find something on hourly, can be a go. It's upward and daily, but so deep. So deep. But the volume is not bad. We'll keep an eye on this tomorrow. Okay, guys. Night to night. I'm checking out for the night.